Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how anyone can create their own NFT Auction Marketplace or NFT DApps using open source Express Protocol SDK. So before we get deep dive into the development process, let's first understand what is Express Protocol. Express Protocol is a decentralized open source protocol that enables user to interact with smart contracts and build their own NFT marketplace or NFT dApps in just a matter of minutes at a no development cost at all. More also, it eliminates all white label dependencies, engage user in an absolute ownership of their own platform, and allows them to cross-list their assets across multiple platforms built using Express Protocol. We have also updated the blog section for all the SDK use cases. Links are in the description. Now let's get started with ExpressProtocol.io. As you can see, we have two options here. First, we have a tryout section where we have built a various NFT dApps on the Express Protocol for your visibility. And second one is documentation. Here you can find a drop down called use cases. There I'm going to cover how to build an NFT auction marketplace today. In this guide, we will make an NFT auction marketplace dApp using Express Protocol SDK, through which anyone can mint NFTs, auction their NFTs, and buyers can bid on NFTs. We will use Pandora Public ERC 721 contract for minting, and then Pandora Market contract for auctioning and bidding the NFTs. Also, we would require to connect the wallet, so make sure you have MetaMask wallet installed. So there are some prerequisites before we start building the project. Those are Node.js version should be more than 16 and NPM version should be more than 6. And MetaMask browser extension should be installed in your browser, and parcel bundler also should be installed. So the first step after getting the prerequisites is to create an empty folder in your favorite editor. We will be using VS Code in this session. And then next step is to install all the required dependencies for our project. We have listed all the dependencies that are given in the should be installed from the documentation. So after that, we need to create a front end for our dApp so we can interact with it. Here we will make an index.html file in VS Code and paste the following code given in the documentation. Now we have to make a simple front end with 5 input fields. The first one is to create an item section which users can mint their NFTs. The second is auction section where users can put their NFTs on auction. Also, it has 3 fields for token ID and for base price and for time span which the auction will be ended. And the third section is for bidders who wants to bid on an auctioned NFT. The user has to enter sale ID and bid offer he or she wants to make on that NFT. Next, there is a bid section through which the NFT owners can accept the bid made by the bidders. After that, there is a withdraw bid section where bidders can withdraw their bid they have made. For that, the bidders need to provide the sale ID and bid ID in the present field. Lastly, there is a cancel sale section. Here, NFT owners can cancel the auction of their NFT by only entering the sale ID. So after creating the front end, the next step is to create a main.js file in our VS Code and paste the following code given in the documentation. Now we need to import the SDK functions in your DApp and make connections with blockchain using MetaMask. For that, we are here to write a JavaScript logic which is already available in the docs, so copy paste from there. And the next step, we are defining a mint function to ensure anyone can mint the NFTs from Express Protocol. So by exposing the mint function, the users can mint their NFTs through this function. Now that we have mint in the Express protocol, so we will put the NFT auction using sale NFT by bid function. This function from the SDK helps us to put the NFTs onto the auction. After putting the item on auction, anyone can bid on the token by providing price more than the base price of the token, or price more than the previous highest bidder. We are implementing the bid function in our app using the bid function from the SDK. The owner of the token can accept the bid that he likes using the accept bid function. Let's define a function that owner of token will use to accept the offer. After auction is over and the bidder's bid is not accepted, then they can withdraw their bid by using withdraw bid function. To implement this, the owner of the token can cancel the auction using cancel sale also. So these two functions will be helpful for after the auction for the people who wants to withdraw their bid or cancel their bid. After setting up the main.js file and defining all the required functions for our NFT marketplace, auction marketplace, we need to get the parameters from the front end using JavaScript DOM. By pasting the following code given in the documentation, we can connect the front end to the JavaScript logic. After doing that, we have came to an end with the building part. Now we need to run the following code in the terminal to start the SDK. The following code is given in the documentation, which is parcel index.html. After running the code, we will get a local host and the DApp will be opened in your browser, and that's it. You have created your own NFT auction marketplace within minutes. Congratulations, you have created your own NFT marketplace and minted as well as auctioned your first token in your marketplace. If you want to use these functionalities and numerous other things like timed auction, creating, collection, bidding, etc., today in your app, check out Express Protocol SDK section, which gives you a plug and play SDK components for the front end. Also, for the further updates, we are coming up with more enhanced features like gasless minting, staking, and more in our V2. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.